In the fast-paced world we live in, the ability to plan and organize effectively is not just a valuable skill. It's a cornerstone of personal and professional success. Whether you're leading a team or working on your personal development journey, mastering this art can be a game changer. The power of purposeful planning. Purposeful planning involves setting clear goals and charting a course of action to achieve them. It's about envisioning your desired outcomes and working backwards to determine the steps needed to get there. Benefits of purposeful planning and organizing. Effective planning ensures that time and resources are allocated efficiently. This leads to increased productivity as tasks are completed in a systematic and organized manner. Reduced stress and overwhelm. Knowing exactly what needs to be done and having a clear plan in place reduces feelings of overwhelm. It provides a sense of control and confidence in tackling even the most complex tasks. Planning helps prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. This prevents time from being wasted on less critical activities, allowing for more time to be spent on high-impact tasks. When you have a well-defined plan, decision-making becomes more straightforward. You can refer back to your plan to ensure that choices align with your overall goals and objectives. Goals without a plan are merely wishes. Effective planning turns aspirations into actionable steps, significantly increasing the likelihood of achieving your desired outcomes. Keys to effective planning and organizing. Set clear, specific goals. Clearly defined goals provide direction and purpose. They serve as the foundation for your entire plan. Break down goals into manageable tasks. Large goals can be overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks that can be tackled one at a time. Not all tasks are created equal. Determine which tasks are most important and need to be addressed first. Allocate resources wisely. Consider the resources, time, money, manpower, required for each task. Allocate them judiciously to ensure efficiency. Utilize planning tools and techniques. There are numerous tools and techniques available, from traditional planners to digital project management apps. Find what works best for you and utilize it consistently. Effective organization complements planning by ensuring that resources are readily accessible and that tasks are carried out efficiently. Establish a clear workspace. A clutter-free environment fosters focus and productivity. Keep your workspace organized and only include items that serve a purpose. Develop systems and processes. Having clear systems in place streamlines tasks and reduces decision fatigue. Create routines and standard operating procedures for common activities. Recognize when it's appropriate to delegate tasks to others. Effective delegation allows you to focus on higher priority responsibilities. Regularly review and adjust. Plans and organizational systems are not static. Regularly review your progress and make adjustments as needed. This ensures that you stay on track towards your goals. Incorporating planning and organizing into leadership. As a leader, these skills are crucial for guiding your team towards success. By modeling effective planning and organization, you set a standard for efficiency and productivity that can inspire and motivate your team members. Effective planning and organizing are not just tools for managing tasks. They're vehicles for achieving your most ambitious goals. By adopting these practices, you can transform your personal and professional life, unlocking a new level of productivity, efficiency, and success. Remember, the key to success lies not only in setting goals but in having a clear plan to achieve them.